Hey guys, it's Katie here with Shoes of Hollywood again, my favourites. Today we'll be looking at a different style of shoe. It actually matches my dress, so I hope you're as excited as I am because these ones are definitely coming home with me today. So, we have our Pleasers again. These are actually a BLONDIE-685. Now, each shoe is individually wrapped so that there is no scratches upon arrival. And how beautiful is that? I love black and red, as you can see. Now, these ones are a double platform with a red insert, as you can see just there, so it does break the colours up really nicely. And this here is a nice red heel. Looks beautiful from behind when you're walking. Got these little inserts here to make sure they don't lose their shape on the way to your house. You do have a little drawstring bag as well, so I keep all of mine in their bags in the box because I've got way too many. It's never an issue though. I make room for them. Another beautiful little cloth bag with another beautiful shoe. Another insert there. Now these are a 6-inch, so for me, perfect for everything. I love them. Nice and grippy bottom. So hopefully there's no slipping. These ones are super easy to put on. Just like that. Put the other on for you. Give them a little bit of a wiggle because they're brand new, as I said, coming home with me today. How gorgeous. Now, a couple of you were asking what the difference was between the Delights and the Blondie, so I'm going to take you over here and I'm just going to show you a little bit of a comparison. I love them both. If you're fresh into walking with the heels, I would start lower just to be safe, but these ones here are the Delights, which you may have seen the video, or if you haven't, go and check it out. And these are the Blondie, just like what I'm wearing. So you can see a bit of a comparison. This one is quite a rounded and this one has a bit of a flat side just there, with a little bit of a thinner heel. See here? That's the difference between the Delight and the Blondie. These ones are also a Blondie. And my lovely Delights. If you're in the area, feel free to stop in. We love visitors. And make sure you go to the community page and you can see all the girls who do the reviews for the shoes. We always love you to come and check everybody out. Now, it is a lovely day outside, not too hot, not too cold, but as much as I love the sun, it has disappeared for the day. How gorgeous. Ready for my job interview now? Shoes of Hollywood have definitely looked after me today. There's not too many shadows, so you have a look at these beautiful shoes. I mean with the red? So pretty. Matches my dress. Don't forget to like and subscribe to all of our videos and click on the little bell so you get all the notifications and you don't miss anything. So excited! So pretty! We do also have our community tab where we do post some behind the scenes photos and little snippets of videos. You'll also find all of the beautiful models who do their Shoes of Hollywood reviews. All of our Instagrams are there as well, so feel free to chuck us a follow, leave us some comments and what you think. And as you may have noticed, Halloween is well and truly over, so guess what I'll be doing this afternoon is taking these balloons down. Till next year, Halloween.